everything is possible. And it's just like, wow, I can literally do anything here. And when I started flying, I swear to you, I did it. And I'm flying. I turn into an angel. Like the sound effect would say it, with the angel wings coming out there in the sky and shit, just fucking flashing. My angel wings, light body, total light body. People call it solar body. Yeah, light body. And I'm fucking flying, motherfucker. In this world, I be saying that while I'm fucking flying. In the other world, it's just like, yeah. And you just totally do everything that you could capably think of, you could do. And you try it all out. Then you get to the next part. Oh shit, I can turn into a glowing blue man. Now your fucking hands is glowing blue and your whole body is aura blue. Indigo. And just fucking doing anything you want, man. Oh, it's so fucking awesome shit. Oh, you motherfucker got me in that shit, man. Damn. Now I'm starting to think about it. Oh, motherfucker, I want to hit something. I really want to hit something. Wow. Oh, I gotta calm down. Anyway, like I'm saying, so this is the extreme excitement in the spiritual realm that we don't get all the time. We get in little bits, but when we get there, nigga, you shout out. You shout out, bro. You shout out, bro. So let me do some more magic tricks. I'm here in the present moment with you, and they're not magic tricks at all. At least, let me just say, I'm not here to deceive nobody. Because if I was deceiving myself, then I'd do that. I'm not deceiving myself. This is some real shit. Excuse my cussing. I'll put the music back on. Here we go with the Liddy shit again. Got you on this jump like, oh yeah, totally present. Alright. What you witnessed is 6. Right? I'll show you this card here. This was 6. Right? 9 already knows. See? 9 of clubs, the 9th dimension. It's higher dimensional works and arts and all of that. For real. 7, you have to verify. With 7, I just show you guys once again. Whatever card comes up after is also the main trick. Did I say the main trick? 2, sacral chakra. It's creative force. Sacred force of energy. The creative force of everything. And it's in the heart, so I know. You know. This is real. Using the 2nd chakra. You know? And being down to earth and duality. And using the yin side within the yang for the first time in like a brief while. You get me? So you come back to that love energy and you spark the inspiration to be like, hey, we can use that. That's real. That's being positive. That's happy. That's being inspiring. You get me? So that's the feeling of inspiration. People will call this the Holy Ghost, right? You can make things happen and magic will just appear. It'll just do it. The Holy Ghost is very, very, very hot. And is very, very, very bright. So you have to be very close. You have to be very careful when you enter in the pure awareness, the pure cosmic, how you put it, the cosmic center, the Milky Way. It's like going through a black hole, wormhole, white hole. You can look at it as if a white hole would look like a black hole shining light, and you can look at it like a quasar too. You go through the quasar. If you go through a quasar, through the light part, The light part of the quasar is this light shooting in both directions from the north and the south, and the North Pole and the South Pole shooting up light. And these, you go through the white. Gimme, you go through the light. It's the same way as going through a wormhole, but faster. This universe, all of these nebulas and galaxies, for real, they're stations for souls. They're stations for souls. The universal stations. A galaxy is a station for souls to experience life, the every quality of life in a diverse way possible, so that the universe has more experience and can expand more, and it learns from itself and grows from itself and thrives off itself and feeds off of itself. So I have to end this video shortly, but I gotta let you know, this is a king. It's a king card. I'm not going to explain too much about the king card. What it is royalty. Jack, Magi. So the Magi is actually explained to be a magician. I'll leave the video with a thumbs up. The services I provide, they will be also in the description. I'll be charging, and you can go on my for videos and shit. Go on a video on Instagram. Get my Instagram, follow me, and have me go into Instagram and video call me. And when you video call me, I'll pick it up, and it'll be instant transition and transmission. Instant transmission. I get tongue-tied with my words sometimes because English is funny. It's funny money. So thank you for watching this video. I'll also give you guys please like, comment, subscribe, and follow. Share the video. You gotta share it. Share it to people. Let them know that this is what I provide. If you're interested, just let them be like, hey, would you be interested in trying this out? This guy on YouTube, he provides services like with magic stuff, and he can do a reading for you, a tarot card reading. And you do this, and you give it thumbs up. The guy on the other hand be like, thumbs up. Okay, I'll check it out. Some people just be like, I'll check it out, and then don't check it out. It's funny, because I do that too. Because I really don't want to be looking at it right now. I be on my own kind of shit. We know. So, it's not about like, no ego shit. It ain't about no ego shit. So, thank you for watching. Thanks for listening. And I'm going to sign out. Thumbs up. Thank you for watching this Joan too. I got my music and shit out here. Peace though. You feel me? Unity, peace, light, and love. You wasn't seeing that coming.